Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Internet Download Manager IDM for Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now I am going to download IDM. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Click No Thanks. Type here in Google search bar, download IDM. Press enter. Click here on IDM official website link, www.internetdownloadmanager.com. Click Download Internet Download Manager. It is 10.8 MB software. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Double click on this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is, our Internet Download Manager software. Let's right click on it. Click Open. Click Yes. Let's close Download Console. Internet Download Manager Installation Wizard. Click Next. Click I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Next. Now the installation process is started. Internet Download Manager has been successfully installed. Click Finish. Let's open Internet Download Manager. Click Close. Click Close. Now the IDM is open. IDM version is 6.41. Click Registration. If you have purchased IDM, you can activate it by filling your registration details and serial key. But in this demo lab, I am using trial version of IDM. By default IDM provide 30 days trial. Click Cancel. Let's close this software. Open Google Chrome. IDM Integration Module. Click Enable Extension. Internet Download Manager extension for Google Chrome has been installed. Click Close Page. Now I am going to show you how IDM worked. Now I am going to download VLC through IDM. VLC is open source software. Type here in Google search bar, download VLC. Press enter. Click here on VLC official website link. Click Download VLC. Click Close. Click Start Download. Downloading is completed. As you can see, IDM downloaded the 40 megabytes file in a 1 second. Let's close on it. Let's close web browser. Open this PC. Click Downloads. The 5 folders you are seeing are all created by IDM. Now open Program folder. Here it is, our VLC software which we downloaded through IDM. Let's close on it. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Internet Download Manager on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.